How to fix Steam corrupt update files. Clear Steam download cache, open Steam, click on the top left Steam menu and then select settings. Go to downloads, then click clear download cache and confirm. Steam will restart automatically. Go back to settings, storage, and then click on the three dots next to your game library and then select repair library folder. Wait for the process to finish. Verify the integrity of the game files. In your Steam library, right click the problematic game and then choose properties. Go to the installed files, then click verify integrity of game files. Wait for it to complete. This will fix any corrupt files for that game. Then rename and downloading folder. Close Steam completely. Go to your Steam installation directory. Then find the downloading folder. Right click and rename it, for example, to downloading old. Restart Steam. This forces Steam to create a new downloading folder, which can resolve persistent corruption issues. If the error persists, try changing your Steam download region or temporarily disabling your antivirus, as it may block updates. Always restart Steam after each step. Subscribe.